In this video, I will show you how to calculate VAT in Microsoft Excel. So you need to use this formula equal sign, then select the selling price. In my case, it's D2. So I need to select this D2. Now asterisk. So press Shift 8 on keyboard. So type this symbol star, then opening bracket. Now type the number 1, then plus. Now select the VAT, then closing bracket, then press enter. So this is the formula, guys, you can use, then press enter. Now drag and drop like this. If you need the grand total, so keep your cursor here or select this cell, then press Alt equal. Alt, press and hold Alt key and equal. Then you will see automatically some cells are selected. Press enter. That's it. So this is the way you can calculate VAT in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.